Hello, hello, hello. All right, today we're talking area of compound figures. We actually have not done circles yet because I changed up the order since we're learning at home. So we're just going to skip the circle ones, or actually semicircle or hemisphere ones. So basically, what we have we call compound figures, which means more than one figure put together to form a new figure. For instance, we really have a rectangle and a triangle. So we find the area of the rectangle, we find the area of the triangle, we add them up. So in this figure, we would do the area of a triangle, then we would do the area of a trapezoid, then we would do the area of a circle and divide it in half because I only have half a circle, and then I would add those three pieces up. But like I said, we did not do circles, so we are gonna move it on along. All right, this guy we can do. So what we're gonna do is come up with a plan. We're gonna do the area of the triangle plus the area of the parallelogram. And I know that's an A. I know it's a parallelogram because of the markings. So there's two arrows on here and two arrows on here, meaning they're the same length. There's one arrow here and one arrow here, meaning they are the same length. Sometimes, if I'm drawing by hand and not a computer, we would use markings like this. Okay, so if you've ever seen those, they're called hash marks or tick marks. And the same number of hashes or ticks means that those sides are equal. So area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So here's the triangle. The base has no label, but it has this marking. So it's the same as this base, which is 12. And its height is measured right here. You see the dotted line, it's pulled out, is 10.4. So in my handy dandy calculator, I do 10.4 times 12 times 0.5, and I get 62.4 meters. Okay, now I have to do the parallelogram, which area is base times height. The base of the parallelogram is 12, the height is 0.8. So 12 times 0.8 is 9.6 meters. So now I refer to my plan, which was to add them up. So the area of the triangle plus the area of the parallelogram, 62.4, plus 9.6, I get 72 meters squared. Ooh, look at me. I forgot all my squareds on there. Okay, 3 has a half a circle or a hemisphere. We're going to skip it. Number 4 is a rectangle and a triangle. So I'm going to find the area of the rectangle, which is length times width. And then I'm going to find the area of the triangle. Now, I know this is 9 because it's the other side of the rectangle, and this is 9. That 9 is also the base of that triangle, which is how I knew the base was 9. Huh, isn't that something? So get 54 square inches all together. All right, let's have you try number 6. Hopefully you know the shapes. This is a square. square. This is a trapezoid. There is a little trick here. If this whole thing is 14, this piece is 7, that means that this piece right here is also 7, because 7 and 7, which of course leaves 5 and 5. All right, find the area, please, the combined area. All right, hopefully you got it right. That's it for this week. So that's another week down, a few more to go. You guys can do this. Hopefully, I will see most of your beautiful faces tomorrow. It'd be great if I could see all of them. I see the same few people who I'm so appreciative are coming to our meets, but it would be really great if the rest of you could log into our Google Meet so we could see each other, or at least our faces virtually one more time before school ended and we only have a few more of those meets left. And I will tell you that next week, Friday, I have a scheduling conflict with my children and their school teachers, and one of them's doing this History Comes to Life project. So I will just be holding one meet for my 7th grade, my 8th grade, and my 8th graders taking 9th grade math. So it'll be one giant meet. So if you want to see some other kids from school, that might be a good time for you to pop on and give a quick hello to everybody. All right. Have a great weekend. Oh, Sugar Pops. I don't know if that's